Today we're smoking that rainbow trout that I caught on Lake Erie a few weeks ago. It's in the fridge right now. I just had doing a dry brine, and the barbecue is lit up. Getting ready to go here. It's a pretty crappy day, so I'm gonna just hide in my garage and we will smoke this rainbow trout. So I'll get to it right after this. Welcome to The Real Dad. I'm Jeff King, and today, for the first time, I'm gonna try smoking rainbow trout on my Weber. It's been in a brine for a few hours. It is a salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and brown sugar brine, and I rinsed it off after a couple hours, and then I stuck it in the fridge to let it cool down and just sit and rest. Then I'm gonna throw it on. I'm gonna try maple. I'm gonna add a little bit. I got royal oak charcoal, so you get that oak, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of maple. I've seen a lot of people recommend alder or fruit woods for smoking fish. I don't have any. I didn't get around to cutting down a cherry tree today, so just maybe maple is a bit of a stronger smoke, so I'll just maybe not use so much of it. But I want to try it, and I think it will go good actually with the brown sugar, which I'll be basting with brown sugar, honey, and apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna try this. This is the trout that I caught a few weeks ago in Lake Erie. It was 5-pounder, so I've got about 3 pounds of fillet. And I will post actually at the end of this video, the video of me catching the fish. You can watch that after. So I'm about ready to get this charcoal in the charcoal basket. I'm just using one charcoal basket because I'm gonna keep this around, I think it was about 150. I've got some recommendations from a guy in a Facebook group that I'm a member of. I'll post that info later too, and I'll talk about that a bit when I get this thing on the barbecue. So I'll get that done now. Like normal, I am having a very tough time getting this Weber kettle down to 150 degrees, and I'm running out of time, so I'm actually gonna bump it up to maybe 160, 170. Just to get this, it's 3 in the afternoon, and I want this done by 6:30 at the latest. So there is the trout. So it's quite large. I'm ready to go. I've actually been trying to cool the charcoal down. Fortunately, my kids just got this yesterday, and it's working really good for cooling the charcoal. So we'll keep at it. I'm gonna have to keep adding charcoal as I go, and there's some in there that's just I'm having a hell of a time, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna get this done, and it's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna throw the trout on. I'm gonna get my thermal pro to stop beeping. It's gonna happen. And in 45 minutes, I'll be putting my first glaze on this. I just know it. All right, I'll be back. I'm still having a heck of a time. I'm at 173. I'm trying to keep it like below that. I would think that maybe using the snake method with some briquettes, way better idea, because this is some lump charcoal, and I've been spraying water on it quite a bit. I've got all the vents completely closed on my Weber, and it's still pushing. I'm at 174, so I have to spray some more water. Definitely should have gone with briquettes, I believe. First mistake, but you know what? I'm confident this is gonna turn out just fine. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes in. My timer just went off. So I basted the fish, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup honey, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I whisked it all together. Just put it on with one of those, little brushes. So I'm gonna do that in another 45 minutes again, and we'll keep going. So far, I'm starting to get the temperature under control. It's going all right. Here, take a look. This is what I got right now. So I think all's well. We'll see. Like I say, I'm short on time, but I cranked the temperature up a little bit. Just trying not to cook it too fast. You'll know when the fat, the white, it's coming out. You kind of want to keep the fat in there, not to dry it out. And there's quite a bit on this trout, so I'm not too worried. It was a big trout. So had some really nice marbling to it. We'll see. Anyway, I'll check back in another 45. I'm in the final stretch. We are getting so close. I need 145, I'm at 127. I'm cranking the temp up to whatever. It is, gosh, guys, it's, oh, my phone's out there. Just after 7. The kids gotta be in bed by 7:30, so I need to get this done real quick. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do this. We are gonna have some great trout. It looks fantastic. You know what? Here, take a peek. Like, that is looking just great. I threw on a little bit of maple just to help get some more heat going, because I'm gonna finish this off kind of hot and quick. My in-laws are down from Quebec, so this is kind of a special meal before they go home. I want to get this trout that I caught cooked for them. I've got a great sauce made with mayonnaise, sour cream, and some dill and some lemon juice, and it's good, so we're gonna put that on. And there's a few other things that I'm gonna talk to you about soon at the end of this video, so just hang in there, guys. I'm almost got it done, and I will give you the rest of the secrets of what I've done for this at the end. And there may have been a lot of beer involved in this, but that's normal, right? Because that's why you guys watch this channel. Because I don't know what I'm doing, and I do it while drinking beer. And you guys, like me, that's how we barbecue, right? So hang in there, and just soon, this fish will be coming off the Weber, and we'll be eating it. So I'm a little later than I wanted to be, but we've got this fish at 145, which is where it's supposed to be, 145 degrees. And I'm gonna let you look at it here. I'm about to pull it off. This is what it looks like now. And it's perfect. I had actually some of this fall off when I was moving it, and yeah, oh my gosh, that's gonna be good. Put that, a little bit of that on with the sauce. So anyways, guys, this is how we've been doing it, and I want to thank Greg from Barbecue Pit Boys in London, Ontario. That's the Facebook group I mentioned earlier that I belong to, and he suggested that we cook this between 140 and 150. However, when I mentioned that I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time, he said, well, you know, bump it up a bit and just watch. So I went up for about 160 to 170. Thank you to them for the advice. And if you want, and you're in the London, Ontario area, follow Barbecue Pit Boys London, and it'll be beneficial to your barbecuing experience. Trust me. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. What's that new one? The one that all the kids are on. It's here too as well. Check that out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're an asshole, give me a thumbs down. Thanks. And the video of me catching this fish is going to be up on the top here. Click on that and you'll watch me catch this thing. This one down here, who knows, please subscribe. It's over here. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.